So in this hole goes this antique window. Today we're going to be doing windows and doors on the first floor, so hopefully we're ready to do the second floor tomorrow.
Hopefully, we got to rent a lift to do that one. The French doors are in, at least on this side. Still got a lot of trim work and, you know, flooring, all that stuff. But the doors are in.
All right, so Zeb has these doors installed and I'm gonna get them painted. I'm using my smooth talker. All of the doors, interior and exterior, are going in little black dress. This is actually exterior paint matched. The little black dress, this is a lot of paint. I'm not used to latex, obviously. Look how drippy that is. Maybe I should just use a little black dress and sealed it. Anyways.
I'm making my own door jamb. I've showed this a few times. It's a little trickier with these French doors because I've got to get everything matching. So just took 3 pieces of 3/4 inch board. I've got screws in the end here for the door jamb. And you can see this one over here that I've already got in. Just basically making 3 sides of a box, leave the bottom open so that I could put the threshold in down there and just fit that in. Now that I've made one, all the measurements are in and ready to go, so the second frame is going a lot quicker. Just got a little shim up in here to create a gap. That way, when I mark off where I want the hinges, it's not so tight that I can't adjust it. I've showed you how to chisel out where the hinges go on a few of the other old doors that we've been installing around the house, but I'm gonna use the router and show you the easy way.
The good news is this is a lot faster and you have all custom door jambs to make.
Getting this old window prepped to reinstall. It's got a lot of years of caulk and glazing and paint. We're scraping it off. Got a little bit, probably about an 1/8 inch gap down here. A belt sander fixed that up real quick, but I'm gonna try to pop a little bit of a shim right in here. Let's see if we can close that gap just a little bit. Oh, there it is. It's right there closed. Okay. Add a few more for stability. Spray foam the gap and it'll be good to go and airtight. The pink door is getting painted. It's only been pink since we picked it up. The inside is black.
I'm painting black. Probably should like scrub it and sand it and all those things, but I'm not gonna.
Long brush strokes.
So right now I'm just kind of putting it on there, although it's gonna dry pretty fast.
Yeah, you're in the sun.
I need to smooth those out because it is drying fast. You can hold your brush like parallel and that helps. Using it like this is the smooth talker. It does help do smooth out paint. But you're gonna get some brush strokes, so let's just make sure they're not crazy. I could spray them, but you know, I want them to look authentic and match all the old doors.
All right, so we got this 3/4 inch piece of common board, and I've just been taking my countersink and drilling it down in. That way I get a nice flush seat. I didn't drill it through it far enough so that we can plug it because I'm not gonna worry about that.
This is the moment of truth, Deb.
I know. See,
Hold on, my outfit is sticking to that.
your outfit's gonna be part of the window.
Yeah, just don't push it all the way through. Watch your fingers.
All right.
You need me to...
Hold on. You're pushing too hard, Dad.
Yeah, push it. Oh, it's got a stick. I was like, how are you keeping this from going through?
Oh man, it fit just right. Okay. All right, your job is to make sure that this is nice and flush. Well, and I don't move it while I go in and screw it in on the inside.
It's not flush here. Is that flush enough?
Yeah, because we're gonna trim this out when the siding comes on.
All right, so this won't be waterproof for a while.
No, we'll caulk it.
All right, guys, we have every single window on the first floor in, including my antique window that I've been hoarding for roughly 6 years.
Yeah, it was actually the easiest to put in.
Also, all the doors are in. The second floor has more windows, but no doors to hang, so it's super exciting. In the next video, you're gonna watch us put in our replica antique doorknobs, and we have some really cool, what are they called? Mortise locks or?
No, they're just door locks.
Like the thing that holds the door in.
I don't know. There's so many special names. I can't keep track of all the
It
stuff
goes like
anymore.
this.
It's getting dark, so I don't think we're gonna show this going in, but this is the mudroom door.
Make sure you guys hit up Jami Ray Vintage and Jami Ray Vintage Home. Both those websites help support our channel. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.